So by now you must have downloaded the Figma app. If not, you can just go to this Figma website, log in, and you will get exact same interface as that of the Figma app. In this video, I will be telling you what are these recents, drafts, and community pages. In this recents tab, you will find all the tabs that you must have opened before, or the files that you are working on right now. In the draft section, you will find the drafts of the tabs that you have created for the Figma files. In this community tab, you will find all the plugins and the images that we will be using later on in the upcoming videos. If you click on this browser icon over here, you will find two things. First is community and second one is your name. Click on this and you will go back to the home page. In the next video, we will be creating one Figma file and we will be designing our first prototype.